Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Microsoft Excel. We are dealing with a pivot table, and I'm going to show you how you can sort your pivot table by value. So the first thing you want to note here is currently it is in alphabetical order, right? So starting at A and ending up in the letter T, right? So we don't want this pivot table to be sorted like this. We would like these values to be from highest to lowest, or alternatively from lowest to highest. So what we're going to do is on the little uh, row label, there is an arrow, and here you can see that it has some sort options. So we're going to look for more sort options, and here we can either have the value from A to Z, all right, which means from lowest to highest, or we can have the value from highest to lowest. Now, what I want to know is what departments are doing very well. So I'm going to go descending, and here we're going to change this drop down from departments to sum of department sale, and we're going to hit OK. Now you can see stationery and gifts, they're doing pretty well. Music and instruments, they're doing pretty well. And you can see over here that grocery and pantry, sporting goods, and home and garden are not doing so well. You can see this is now in highest to lowest value. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. We'll see you in another great video. Cheers.